Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is second question of its exercise 3.1. So the question says that write first 5 multiples of part A 5. So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4 and 5 into 5. ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. For part B is 5 multiples of 8. So 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4 and 8 into 5. So जगह हमारे पास 8 की टेबल 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. Part C 9 into 1, 9 into 2, 9 into 3, 9 into 4 and 9 into 5. So जगह हमारे पास 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Thank you.